Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first brand deal. First, clearly define your niche and who your audience is. This clarity helps you attract the right brands. Next, build a strong, authentic online presence across your chosen platforms. Understand your unique value proposition and what makes you stand out. This foundational work is crucial before you even think about reaching out to potential partners. Once your foundation is solid, it's time to create a compelling media kit. This essential document should showcase your audience demographics, engagement rates, and past content examples. Identify brands that genuinely align with your content and values, ensuring an authentic partnership. Then, craft a personalized pitch that highlights the mutual benefits and how you can help them reach their target market effectively. When a brand expresses interest, be prepared to negotiate. Understand your worth and confidently discuss your rates, whether it's for a single post or a series of 3 videos. Clearly define all deliverables, timelines, and payment terms in a written agreement. This protects both you and the brand, ensuring everyone is on the same page and expectations are managed from the start. After securing the deal, focus on delivering exceptional results. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and meets the brand's objectives. Maintain open and consistent communication throughout the collaboration, providing updates and addressing any feedback promptly. By exceeding expectations, you not only ensure a successful campaign, but also foster long-term relationships for future, potentially more lucrative opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.